Hey everyone, Deanie from Dexon here. Just want to run you through a quick headlight restoration on my headlight here. As you can see, it has gone yellow. We can fix that pretty easily by using a headlight restoration kit. You can pick this up from most reputable auto parts stores like Burson, super cheap, even Bunnings sell them. These kits are really good if you're going to do a LED upgrade. If you've got a yellow lens, putting a LED in it, you may not get as much performance out of it as what you think. So what we've got here is obviously my yellow headlight. Some cars it's easy to take these headlights out, some are not. So this one here I've actually done in the car. It was just put a bit of tape around, protect the paint, which you don't really need to on this one. But it is a good idea to always protect your paint. Just gave it a quick scuff and yeah, it's come up pretty good. Here I got the spray on polish. Comes out really fine, a little bit like a liquid. But all you gotta do is get a nice even coat all the way over it. Not exactly even. But the thing about spray, you can go over it again. If you're wondering what the process is, read your instructions because they are all different. You start off just with little swirls all the way through. Now you do have to put medium to heavy pressure just to get that cutting agent into it. Start off with this one. Small swirls is best. It does recommend that in this particular kit. As you can see, there's a fair bit of grime coming off that. All right, swapping sides just is a little bit easier to get around the corner. Again, in a swirling motion all the way around it. You may need to do this a couple of times. It will mention that in the kit that you buy to get best clarity you can get. Alright, so this is the end of the first coat. So that is already looking miles better than when we started. So now we'll go through with another one. Find a clean patch on your rag and go again. Alright, so before you apply the clear coat, we will give it a wipe with a clean rag just to get all that excess cutting compound off. That looks pretty good. Right, we've given it a wipe with a nice clean microfiber towel. All the compound is gone, so now we're up to step 2, which is actually the most important. This is a UV coating that protects the lens for years to come. So all it is just a simple spray over the top. Make sure you don't get too much there, you don't want any runs. But once this is done, it looks pretty close to a brand new one. Now that we're done, we're going to wait for it to dry. It was a pretty simple task, got it done really quick. Follow us on the socials. If you have any questions, reach out.